Picking up on page Word 235, we're going to continue where we left off. Now we're going to insert a Smart Art graphic. So to do that, we go to before we go to insert, we want to center our Smart Art graphic, so we hit the center button here. Then we go to the Insert tab, and here is where we will select Smart Art. That brings up our window that shows our list of available Smart Art graphics. The one that we're going to use for this is going to be in the Process group, so go ahead and click on that. And then you may have to scroll down, and what we're going to use for this is the Upward Arrow Smart Art graphic. So select that and hit OK, and that will insert the Upward Arrow Smart Art graphic for you. Now we're going to go ahead and fill in the text for our Smart Art graphic. So to do that, we click on the first text listed there, and we're going to type in going once. Click on the next text and type in going twice. I think you see where this is going. And click on the next one and type in sold. So now we have our text in our Smart Art graphic. The next thing we want to do is change the colors of our Smart Art graphic. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and on the Design tab here, we're going to click on Change Colors. The color we want is from the Accent 5 Colored Outline. So here we select that, and you can see it changes the color to that light blue. Okay, the next thing we want to do is apply a Smart Art style. To do this, we go ahead on the Smart Art Styles box here on the Design tab. We're going to click the More button. You can see where that is here on the right side. It's a little downward arrow. And that gives us our options. The one we're going to select for this one is going to be in the 3D group. It's going to be the Polished style. So go ahead and select that, and you can see it sort of gives it sort of a 3D look, and it's got the little dots there on the arrow kind of have a glossy look to them, so that's going to be the style that we're going to use for it. Okay, next thing we're going to learn how to format text using the mini toolbar. Now one way we can format our text is up here in the font box on the Home tab. We can select the different types and the different font or sizes and some of the other things going on there, but one of the useful tools here is going to be our mini toolbar. So if you double click on the word sold, you can see it's kind of faded there, but if you move up and to the right, the mini toolbar will come into view. And here's where we can easily manage the font styles that we want for selected text. So what we're going to do now that we have the mini toolbar there is we're going to select the bold. We're going to make this bold. We're going to make the size 44 point, and then we're going to make the color, that color we used before, I said we'd use it again. That's the pink accent 2, darker 25. So go ahead and select that. Okay, and that's how we change our font using the mini toolbar.